Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. This week's Facebook group collab is all about celebrating Mardi Gras, and of course the main colors for this festive holiday are purple, green and yellow. So in today's video I will be using these colors. I do hope that you will enjoy this nail art tutorial. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will be using for my base this polish from Swam Gloss that was sent to me as PR and will be available through March polish pickup, and I will of course have a live swatch on that polish, so definitely make sure that you're subscribed and you don't miss out on that video. As always, I will have everything linked for you in the description box, so all the video links will be there and all the pictures that were created for today's collab will be at the end of my video, so definitely stay tuned till the very end. I will wrap it up here. I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And thank you so much for being here today. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.